Example, make P the subject of formula in the formula A equals P plus PRT over 100. Solution. Recall, to do this, to make P the subject of formula in this formula, we have to make sure that P is at one side of the equation. That is, only P would be at one side of the equation, then every other term would be at the other side of the equation. And so here we rewrite this: A equals P plus PRT over 100. Now the first thing, we have this fraction over 100. Let's try and remove this first. And to do that, we multiply through by 100. Multiply through by 100. So we have 100 times A equals 100 times P plus PRT over 100 times 100. And from here, we'll be having 100A equals 100P plus, now 100 can cancel out here. We are left with PRT times 1 over 1, which is the same thing as just PRT. And from here, P is common to both sides, so we can factorize it out. So we'll be having 100A equals, we can factorize P out so that we have P into, now we remove P from this, that is, when you divide this by P, what do we have left? 100 plus, divide PRT by P, P cancel P, we are left with RT. So we have RT here, then we close the brackets. Now, we still want to make only P at this side, but we'll make it stand alone, but it is still being attached to something. So to remove this 100 plus RT that is attaching itself to P, we divide both sides by this. So divide both sides by 100 plus RT. So here we have 100A over 100 plus RT equals P into 100 plus RT over 100 plus RT. And here, 100 plus RT can cancel out here. So therefore, we have 100A over 100 plus RT equals P alone. So we've made P stand alone. So we can just rewrite this. So this is the same thing as having P equals 100A over 100 plus RT. And by doing this, we've successfully made P the subject of the formula. Thank you.